Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 15T Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, we're gonna open up our settings, and in here you want to navigate to the first option, About Phone. At the bottom of it, you'll find Factory Reset. This will then present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like photos, videos, documents, and basically all user data. If you have any of that data that you would like to maintain, you can create a copy by clicking Erase All Data, and I believe it does, yep, there we go, show up with the backup option. But before you go do that, I want to warn you that this backup is being created to the Xiaomi Cloud strictly. So if you have something like a Samsung, this data is unavailable to you, which defeats the purpose of a backup. And I also am just advocate of having full control over your own personal information, which this isn't that. I recommend making a backup to your computer via something like a USB cable, which means that your data is stored locally on your own computer, only you have access to it, and you can restore it to literally anything that you want. Rather than relying on cloud, that number one is restrictive, and number two, there are laws for how long companies can keep your data, which I believe is like 2 or 3 years. And after that time, if this backup hasn't been touched, modified, or anything like that, it gets deleted. So you have created a backup that isn't even available to you after a specific period of time. Kind of defeats the purpose. Now, in any case, I don't have anything here that I want to back up, so I'm going to select Factory Reset. I do have an eSIM, so I can select to either keep it or clear it. I'm going to select Clear. And then I get this pop-up that this will delete all my data, or am I sure I want to go through this? I am blocked by a timer, by the way, so let's wait 10 seconds, and then it just does the same thing again, because once, or actually twice, wasn't enough of an information. I need to get it 3 times and have 20 seconds of my life wasted. And once I click on OK, this will begin factory resetting the device, and it will take about 2 minutes or so to finish up. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.